Hello there, welcome to my studio in North Wales, UK. My name's David Walker, I'm a professional artist. I've been an artist for over 30 years. Over those 30 years I've done demos all over the UK, live demos, and now I've decided to do my demo tutorials on Udemy to reach a worldwide audience. I'm going to show you how to paint watercolours properly, like a professional. We're going to paint pictures to illustrate it rather than just bits and bats here and there. We're going to end up with a couple of nice paintings. So I'm going to teach you how to be bold, how to get the colour on the paper rather than worrying about the outcome. And I'm going to show you how to get stuck in. I love watercolours. I'm going to talk about watercolours every chance I get because I absolutely love it. In this course we do all three of the paintings that you can see at the side. We start right from scratch with each one of them and there's a little bit of drawing involved in a couple of them, but it's not too much, it shouldn't cause you any problems. We use the hake brush mainly once again, and if you want to learn a little bit more about the hake brush there is actually a free half-hour video at the end of the course and you can catch it in the free review at the beginning. You can ask any questions. If you get stuck, you can ask me a question in the Q&A section. And the other thing is, you've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the course, you get your money back, nothing lost. Don't think you will, though. All right, so sign up and I'll see you in the first lesson. See you now.